Coach Vigue's two best-selling books make great gifts. Order below.
Good evening, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue with an I, and welcome to your very relaxing evening bedtime yoga stretch routine. With the fireplace, propane, and the jammies, we'll have the best night's sleep ever. All right, let's breathe in the nose and out the nose. Scratch the nose. It's a nose theme. And let's start with a seated twist. Left leg forward, take your right foot across, and we're going to twist to the right. Drop the shoulders, breathe in the nose, out the nose. Focus on deep breathing so it inflates the sides. You can also take the arm right here. 5 breaths. With each exhale, let your body gently twist and relax the shoulders. And with the inhales, lift the crown of your head nice and tall. Feel free to put on your favorite relaxing music, some Jim Brickman or jazz, or the outfield. That sounds good. Or Christmas music. Good, gentle twisting, very gentle. Use your breath as always, always using the breath. Excellent. And other side. Take the foot across. Here we are. Twist. I'm going to look at my favorite Christmas book, the Norman Rockwell Christmas book. Very well used. I believe I got it in 1982, about 10 years before I was born. 3 more breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Okay, beautiful. Loosening the sides. Let's cross the legs. Press back, child's pose. Take the knees wide, swaying side to side. Relax. You can also take the outside of your hands down. A little more support that way. Again, relaxing, deep breathing. I'm boring myself to sleep. 3 more breaths. Some gentle mobility in the spine. Let your mind focus. Let everything else during the day drift and sail away. Stick style. Thread the needle. Oh, left arm underneath, reach across. If you want, you can do a little rocking forward and back. That might look a little too provocative for bedtime, so you can keep it here if you like. And down. 5 breaths. Let that breath, as I always say, let it move into your ribs. So you're breathing horizontally. You're breathing outward. And that includes breathing or sending breath into your lower back. Woo, throw the needle, other side. 5 breaths. There's a spider. All right. A very relaxing spider. Oh, draw that shoulder back a little more. Propane fires. I prefer wood fires, but it's what we have, right? Okay, draw it through, press up, let some of that blood move out of the head. You have to do this with your hand. Yes. All right. Baby Cobra. Nice back bend, but not too much. Forearms come down, elbows under the shoulders, palms flat. Shoulders back, focus on opening the chest. Legs are extended, and breathe. 5 breaths. Gentle stretching. The spine responds very well to some subtle decompression before you go to sleep. Some of these you can do in bed within reason. I always like to lie on my back, and we'll do the stretch in just a moment, a twist. And I do that while I'm reading. Best of both worlds, stimulating the mind and releasing the body. Oh, baby Cobra, it's so cute. Okay, extend the arms forward, full stretch. Reaching, legs back, arms forward. Feel that stretch, upper and lower body, right into your center, into your core. This mat smells good. All right, hands on the shoulders, take it back again, child's pose. Stretch it out, boom, forehead down gently, relax the arms, 5 breaths. Let that breath flow up and down your back. It's a good time. I have to admit, it's a little weird for me not to be filming outside, but it's very cold and icy. So the Coach Vigue downstairs studio is very cozy. There it is. Your inhale should lift your upper body up slightly. Then you know you're breathing into the right areas. Deep breathing. All right, slide the hands over the shoulders. Pressing up. Sitting on the heels. Let's do a patented Coach Vigue move. The mudra, lace the fingers open. You can move the head back and forth if you like. Drop the shoulders down. I like to do this little sway here as well. Nice stretch on my quads and my shins. And of course you feel it in your lower back. I just look directly at that light. I'm blind now for 11 seconds. Where am I? Verbini. Who am I? All right, open. Okay, let's come on to our backs. Don't look at my notes. My notes are over there. A lot of times I don't even look at them. As promised, a little twist, but first let's tuck the shirt into my special Christmas jammies. Drop the legs to the right. Grab a book if you like. Now it's not just lower body here. You can extend the top leg out. Your shoulders are relaxed down. Chest is open. Great chance to focus on your breath. Inhale to the nose. Let this whole area pooch out. Ho, 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 ho. If you're training to be Santa Claus, learn your deep diaphragm breathing. Good, let it go, relax, breathe. Feel the body releasing after a marvelous day. And if it wasn't so marvelous, well, this stretch will help you on your way to tomorrow. All right, take the legs up, inhale, exhale, sink them over to the other side. All right. Relaxing down, this leg can be out too. Golly gee, there's a fireplace in my way. How about that? 3 more breaths. Breathing deep. Feel that breath rattling around in your low back, in your sides. Okay. Now the lying butterfly stretch. A little shake out of the legs. It's a very lazy shake out, but we don't want to, get out of control. Bottoms of the feet together. Here we are. Lying butterfly, hands here or arms over the head, or take the hands on the legs. I like to do this little gentle press side to side. Get to decompress your low back. And that nice little shimmy, healthy movement. Notice how well our body operates and responds when we have dynamic flow in our lives. Our body is fluid, it's flowing. Like the fireplace. The fire. 2 more breaths. All right, left leg out, right knee into the chest. Rotate the ankles, or this ankle. You can do both, but I like to focus on this one. Wiggle the toes. You got some crunchies in there, some lactic acid or air or gases and whatnot being released into the room. By the way, this is the Coach Vigue bedtime persona right here. It's different than my power yoga persona or my Pilates. This is relaxed and little Jeff Goldblum-ish from Jurassic Park. There we are. All right, take this leg up, little spider stretch. With the exhale, lengthen. With the inhale, soften. Let's do 5 breaths. Hamstring stretch, very important. Much is written and said about hamstrings, but basically, tight hamstrings, tight calves go into your low back and glutes, cause problems, affect our sleep patterns. I was a guest on a podcast today, and I was asked at the end if you could impart one piece of knowledge to people when you're gone, to that effect. There's a lot of things I could say, but what popped into my head is learn how to get a good night's sleep. Learn to be very consistent with your sleep, because without that, the day suffers so much. We operate at a very low grade quality, like a low battery. All right, left knee to the chest, rotate the ankle. You know, for myself, if I get under 7 hours usually, it's tough. I've learned the art of the nap. Even for 15 minutes, take a nap. It's amazing. Night and day, I wake up feeling so much better mentally, physically, spiritually. It's like you're trudging through mud with lack of sleep. So all your dreams and aspirations go by the wayside. Just can't do it. All right, leg up, 5 breaths. Exhale, extend. Inhale, soften. These pants were actually a gift from my sister last year for Christmas. So thank you, Kim. There it is, right down here. And that breath and these gentle stretches lead us into that sleep. All right, knees into the chest. Oh, now I'm going to give you this option, of course. It's always up to you. Or the advanced option is the plow. Am I tucked in here? Phew. I'm going to do a whole class on tucking in. Now the plow, use your abdominals to bring the legs up and over and the arms. Hands on the low back. I'm going to kind of feel this one out a little bit. Keep the knees soft. Let's do 5 breaths of either one. All right, slowly come down. You can always hold these longer if you like. Oh, all right. Now from here, my friends, stop the video, go to sleep, or get up, go over there and watch some Christmas movies. Thanks. Sleep well. Coach Vigue. Pleasure to train with you.
Click the first link below for your free 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app.